Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, it looks as though the Ned Nwoko Regina Daniels storyline has given carte blanche to elderly Nigerian men to go marrying all these teen bride or teen or early 20s bride. So you see men in their 60s, 70s and 80s now going out to marry girls in their late teens, early 20s, mid-teens, etc. So here is yet another copycat of the Regina Daniels Ned Nwoko situation. So guys, I bring you this. Photos of an elderly man and his bride is causing a stir online. So again, photos of an elderly man and his bride is causing a stir online. So now here's the body of the story. There's not really that much of a story to tell. It's the photographs really that tells the story, but this is just how it's been summed up. The photos posted online today shows an elderly man with his wife, and they seem to be in love. While some online users have called out the groom for marrying a young bride, others stated that the bride is a full-fledged woman. So now you be the judge of that. So here you see the photographs of the two of them. So again, a repeat of the Regina Daniels Ned Nwoko situation, which is something of course that has always gone on, but which is something that's now being flashed up in the media space because of those celebrity couples coming out and the age disparity between the two of them. So this now highlighted this, and these storylines are now coming out thick and fast, and this is yet another example. So I am not going to run any commentaries on this. I'll let the pictures tell the tale, and then you draw your conclusions. But the conclusions you do draw, share them with me in the comment section where conversations usually take place on this channel. But before you come share your conclusions with me, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Click on the bell button, that way you are notified every time I drop a new video. Then come let me know what you're thinking of this in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, meet you there, but here I say peace.